Hello and welcome to Alpha Shooters. We're here at Enforstack 2024. This is the Sordin booth. I have Matthias from Sordin here, and we're going to introduce the new T2 ear protection system from Sordin. It's a breakthrough, a brand new product, an amazing product because it has a lot of features. But Matthias, could you give us some of the features and the rundown of this new product?
So it looks pretty much like the old ones, but pretty much everything is new on it. So we can start with the rings. So now we have a new material. It's memory foam instead of the PVC, but we also have the gel, of course, like the old one. But now it's a little bit better when you use glasses and stuff like that. So that's the first thing. And the other thing is the SNR value is much higher than the previous one. Before we have 26, now we have 29 on the headband and neckband, and on the helmet mounted we have 28.
There is one thing. The dB, the decibel level, is logarithmic. It means that every decibel is basically the double of the previous sound proofing. So in reality, 3 dB doesn't seem a lot, but it's actually a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Exactly. So that's really great. And another new thing, you cannot see it, but it's inside. That we have now 4 different modes. If you know the Pro X models, we have 4 different modes. So we have the same now in the tactical headset as well. So we call it, I don't know if you can film it, tactical, comfort, dual, and ambience off. So it's 4 different modes, depends on what you're going to do. So it's really great. But we call it also the flexible system. It's because we can change. Now we have a headband version, but we can remove the headband and add if we want to change to a neckband. It's really easy. You can do it on the field, and also to the arc rail, and also the rails from behind. So it's really new.
So if I need a neckband and I have a arc system, I just replace it with no problem.
Exactly.
And it has a new snap-on system.
Yeah, exactly. Before we had to cut it up and stuff like that, but now it's just
snap-on. It's very easy, simple.
It's really easy. And also you can maybe some unit, everyone doesn't need communication with the microphone, but here you can add the microphone.
You can add it?
Yeah. So Christian, can I have the microphone? So you're just gonna add it. So you can add it on left or right side. It's up to you. Put it in.
It's snap-on, and then you can actually secure it with the screw.
Yeah.
Of course, this is compatible with all the Nexus systems of connection and all that stuff.
Absolutely. So download to the PTT.
Well, thank you,
No problem.
Please continue following alphashooters.com. Any comments, please post them below.